All right, second graders, so we need to format this letter correctly. So we need to have a capital J in June, 12, comma, 2000. Dear needs to be capitalized. Aunt and Beth need to be capitalized with a comma. We needs to be capitalized. Have a new puppy. I needs to be capitalized. Named him Whiskers, capital W. Don't, apostrophe, you think that's a good name? Question mark. Can, needs capitalized and reformatted, you come to see Whiskers. You will like him, period. Love is spelled wrong. Also needs a comma, Martina. So your letter should look like June 12th, 2008. Dear Aunt Beth, we have a new puppy. I named him Whiskers. Don't you think that's, actually change that to that is a good name? Can you come to see Whiskers, capital? You will like him, period. Love.